Hey everyone, how's it going? I was just actually waiting for a long weekend just so I can have time to do this just because it's been really busy for me lately. So, just the next little update here. So, I got the 2.5 RS back here now. Taking everything out. As you can see, I'm just about to send out the wiring harnesses out to probably iWire since they're still around and actually hear good things about them. That's kind of everything torn apart inside for the meantime, and then also I have somebody interested in the motor, so I'm going to have to spend the rest of my weekend and start pulling that as well, just to get that out and everything else transferred over. Hoping to get that out at least by tomorrow. And this was the giant box that we had just to send out the wiring harnesses, so that's going to probably cost me quite a bit in shipping actually, which is kind of funny. Just an entire box of wires. But yeah, awesome. That's where I am right now. The old owner actually had like a bunch of weird stuff installed on this car, like a remote starter system that was just really like shoddy and put in improperly. So I'm gonna remove that at the same time and fix up some wiring, clean up a few things. While iWire has the wiring harnesses, I'll probably start swapping out the WRX transmission, full exhaust, downpipe that I still had, axles to do that conversion as well. So definitely looking forward to it, guys. Everybody, thanks for watching. I'll keep you updated and feel free to ask me any questions along the way if you want. Thank you.